Hi, Jonathan Handford from Fine & Country, and I'm here today in Leamington Spa. Every town has its iconic streets, and Leamington Spa is no different. Today we are north of the river, just off Northumberland Road on Beverley Road. This unusual but stunning, beautiful dual road and dual tree lined street is nearly half a mile long. At the very end of the road is Leamington Lawn Tennis and Squash Club. It actually holds the record as the oldest lawn tennis club in the world, beating Wimbledon by 3 years. This entire area before this development was once a golf course. Now it's a selection of eclectic houses, all big detached exclusive homes. And today, Fine & Country are putting onto the market 47 Beverley Road. This is a renovation or redevelopment opportunity. The property is offered for sale with no chain, but it's going to require somebody that's got an appetite for a bit of a building project. Why don't you come inside and we can have a little look around?